Hello, my friends. There I am. I'm upside down now. We're going to do another wreck and spin. Get my gloves on. And my goal with this is no black and no white paint. So we'll see how that goes. And whoops, there it is. Okay. Got my cup. And I'm going to start with this super vibrant green. And then go into this ocean teal blue, light blue, ooh, dark blue's almost out, and my purple that's almost out. Looks like I'll be mixing some paints next week, just a couple colors. I have to put this upside down and see if I can get the rest out. And let's do this again. Super bright neon green, ocean blue, and I don't want to fill it to the top, so this will probably be my last small layer right here. And pick it up. Let me just make sure, yep, it's clear, and make that more of a point. There we go. And start pouring. There we go. Oops, didn't mean to stop that. It's doing pretty good. I wanted this bright green in there just for a pop of color since I'm not using a black or white. I don't want it to be like just some monochrome single blue with a shade of purple. I needed something bright in there. Okay, I think this will do it. It is at a drizzle right now. Like, I'm forcing the paint out. It's gone. Okay, so I would like to put a layer of paint around. And let's see if you can get a little close up. This is what it looks like so far. Whoop. Let me get it back in the center where it belongs. And get a paper towel. My plastic palette knife. I'm going to start at the center. Pull out. It's a fun sound, huh? Okay, start at the center. Stay close this time. There we go. Just working my way out. Okay, there we go. It's not too shabby. This is what it looks like. That was my zoom in. Now I'm going to give it a spin. Let me just make sure I'm clearing it. Yep. And and spread it all out. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, one more spin. See if we can do something about this. If not, oh well. That's what it is. Oh, that worked. Ta-da! Look at that. OMG, I love it. Okay, I just want to get the sides. And the best part of the spinner is it helps get excess paint off and helps create an amazing pattern. Love it. Okay, let me get the, whoop, sorry, I got distracted when I saw a thing right there. Okay, get my prop cups because I don't want it drying on my spinner because it'll dry to the spinner. And don't ask me how I know that. Okay. Come on. I'm having an awkward time with the cups today. Kind of got a life of their own today. Okay, let me make sure that's going to be level. And then this corner. There it goes. Got it. Got it, got it, got it. All right. Let me know what you think. We'll see it when it's dry. Thank you. We will see you in the next video. Bye.